d.Belle of d.Belles Tapestry. I hope everyone had a wonderfully blessed time during the Christmas season with family and friends. Happy New Year, happy 2018. This is my first official video of the new year. I'm always excited to bring new videos, and what better way to start out a new year than with a brand new DIY video. So just to make a quick distinction before we begin, this is not the typical DIY d.Belles Tapestry home decor project. This video is a jewelry DIY video, so it is going to require a little bit of your time and patience, but you can always press pause, you can rewind or watch the entire video again just to be sure that you're able to recreate these vintage / antique inspired blue and white dangled earrings. Okay, so let's get started. This is just a close-up of the materials that you'll need along with the tools that you'll need for this DIY project. Another important note is that in addition to the main bead, you'll need 2 types of supportive beads. These are the beads that I'm choosing to use today. I purchased these from Michael's. I was immediately attracted to the bright blue color, the sophistication of the beads. The beads also have a texture, and it's kind of reminiscent of a vintage earring. These next beads I just call supportive beads or anchor beads. I'm not quite sure what the formal name of the beads are. They're not usually the focal point of jewelry, but they're just as important. And what I'm doing here is I'm looking for the flattest of the beads to include in creating the dangled earrings. And these are the 2 I'm choosing. The second supportive anchor bead are these gold beads. Moving on, we have the base and findings of the earrings. These are the things that hold the earrings together. On to tools, we have needle nose pliers, which are flat. We have side cutters, and we have a round nosed plier, which is used for turning wire. Now that we have our materials and tools, we're going to get started with step 1. We're starting out with the earring base. And this base actually has a flat head on the bottom. We're going to take our gold support bead, placing it on the base, as well as our flat bead. Taking our main beads, our focal point beads, these beautiful blue and white textured antique / vintage styled beads, and we're going to place both on the base. Now to finish the base of the bead, we're going to take our 2 supportive anchor beads, the white flat bead and the gold bead, and this completes at least the first portion of our earring. We're going to take the top of the wire that's left using our round nose pliers, and we're going to turn the wire very carefully. Please be safe with doing this. This took me a lot of time and patience to do. But you're going to continue to turn and then begin to make an arch, a very small arch. We're going to put this aside for now, and now we're going to move on to step 2, which is putting together the finding and the hook. I use the flat nose pliers to open up the base. That's what I'm pointing to here, the base of the hook. Honestly, you can do it this way by opening up the base of the hook. And then take the finding, place it inside of the base and close it back up. Or an easier way would be to open up the finding and place it on the hook and close the finding. But either way, the point is to make sure that the finding and the hook are connected. Moving on to step 3, we're going to make the connection of the finding and hook to the base of the earring. You're going to make sure that you place that over the base of the earring, and make sure that you also have a nice grip on the earring because we are working with limited space at this point. We're going to take our flat nose pliers and we are going to press the remainder of the loop of the base together. Take your time with this. I did have to maneuver and angle the pliers a certain way to ensure that the loop was completely closed. And this is the final look. enjoy this video. I hope that you're able to follow this video. This was actually my first jewelry DIY video. I may do another video that might be a little ways down the road, but in the meantime, if you happen to recreate these earrings or create your own version of the earrings and you post them on Instagram or Facebook, feel free to tag me. I actually do want to see if you're able to recreate any look, whether it be jewelry or home decor, from the videos that I post. If you have any ideas for brand new videos that you want to see from me, feel free to comment down below. That's all that I have for you for today. Happy New Year again. Happy 2018. Feel free to like, comment. Remember to subscribe, share with your friends, and I will see you very soon with brand new videos. Bye.